Hi folks, Isaac Martinez here with Fulenwider Dodge in Easton. Just wanted to jump on here, show you guys how to actually keep your transmission in good shape, because not sure if you guys have done some research on the pricing right now. Of course, depending on the vehicle, the prices for replacing a transmission are going to be somewhere between 8 to 10,000, and that's just for the part. That does not include any of the labor. First thing I like to do is, when you start it, of course, it has been super cold here as of lately. Give the vehicle proper time to warm up. And even if it is good weather, when you first jump in, do not immediately throw it into gear. I always like to wait just a couple of seconds, let everything get properly lubricated. That way it does reduce the wear and tear. Whenever you finally do put the vehicle in gear, I always like to just shift in a nice, easy manner rather than being very abrupt with it. And then at that point, once it's in gear, you're welcome to go and take off. And guys and gals, of course, to reduce wear and tear, you always want to make sure that your vehicle is properly upkept for your routine maintenance, be it the lube, oil, filters, all of that good stuff. If you guys have any questions, you can feel free to give me a shout at 254-434-7212,